This is a very important class. It's as important as the other classes. Yeah. So how we talk to each other and how we function together as a team is extremely important. So if you function well as a team, then positive outcome is likely. If you don't function well as a team, then outcome may not be as good. So you just think about our Indian cricket team. You all watch cricket? If you have a good effective captain, then you are likely to win. If you don't have an effective captain, gadbad ho jata hai sab kuch. So the most effective captains have been, Dhoni. I think Dhoni was the most effective captain. Kohli also is pretty good. Yeah, but the moment the juniors become a little more senior, then they think they can do everything on their own. Why do they need a team leader? But for us now, it is much more critical. It makes the difference between life and death. There it's a match. So, and our situations are shorter. 2020 बोला तो फिर भी 3 घंटा लग जाता है 20 overs डालने को. अपना 10 minutes. कहानी खत्म. Yeah. So therefore, those 10 minutes are very important for good communication. Okay. So it is about managing your resources during a crisis. This crisis resource management night comes to us from the aeroplane industry. So in the aeroplane, now you don't have time. Crash हो गया तो उधर तो 1 minute 2 minute ही रहता है. Crash हो गया तो सब लोग साथ में मरेंगे. Pilot, stewards, air hostesses, and the passengers. About 300 people. Have you all seen that movie? वो कौन सा है रे? He lands the plane on the river. Sully. Yes. Have you seen Sully? Sully is excellent. So what's Sully? Yeah. So it is about it is about teamwork. It is about having checklists, but it is also about making split-second decisions. Okay. So what we are going to do is to cover how to communicate in a crisis. Team leader, team members both have roles. The goal is to reduce disorganized communication and actions within the team to improve patient care, and there is great importance for training. So one of the classes is on CRM. So there the case is pre-arrest case. So there we are going to see how you function together as team. We are going to see in all the classes, but specifically in that one we will be looking at the communication part. Sorry. So the team leader has to give closed loop communication. He has to give clear messages and he has to avoid pitfalls. So if you remember, I asked all of you all your names. Now I can't remember everybody's names, but if I'm going to communicate with someone, then I'll generally ask them what their name is and then communicate. Now I know Sister Ashwini. Sister Ashwini, please get me 1 milligram adrenaline. मग काय तुम्ही काय म्हणणार? Yes, correct. I want you to get 1 milligram adrenaline. So then she'll go and get 1 milligram adrenaline. पण सिस्टर अश्विनी तुम्ही सांगू शकता सर 1 milligram adrenaline कशासाठी पाहिजे तुम्हाला? विचार की. So she's clarifying. I have not given a clear message. I have said 1 milligram adrenaline. Now whether to give it IV, IM, nothing. So sister, आता कार्डियक अरेस्ट आहे ना, so 1 milligram IV adrenaline, 10 ml saline बरोबर. असं मला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे? So then sister will confirm that, then she'll go and get it. आता तुम्ही आणले परत, मग काय सांगणार? I have brought 1 milligram adrenaline, shall I administer it? So I say yes, and then she says 1 milligram adrenaline administered. So you can see the team leader has to give a directed instruction, clear message. The team member has to reciprocate that and create a closed loop communication. The loop ends when the drug is administered. Okay? Then of course we need to have clear roles and responsibilities. Know your limitations. If you're not sure, ask. If you're not sure, open your phone. See the algorithm. Share your knowledge. Constructive intervention. So someone is not doing correct compressions, go and tell them, "Arey, thoda haath theek se rakho." Summarize and re-evaluate. So this is the job of the team leader. So team leader say, okay, so now we've done 2-3 minutes and we've given 2 shocks. I think we should give adrenaline now. And if somebody feels that, suppose I say, I think we should give amiodarone now. After the second shock, amiodarone is not correct. बरोबर नाही आहे ना? सो कसं इंटरव्हीन करणार निर्मला सिस्टर? मी सांगतोय सिस्टर सिस्टर ॲम्युडरॉन घेऊन या. मग काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? हां अगं पण चुकीचं आहे ना. हां ॲड्रेनलिन द्यायला पाहिजे. तर तू मला सांगायचं ना, आता मी आय एम द टीम लिडर. हां सो आणि बॉस पण आहे. हां कसं त्यांना सांगायचं की तुम्ही चुकताय म्हणून सांगायचं, सर 300 मिलीग्रॅम ॲम्युडरॉन सांगा तसं. म्हणजे प्रश्न विचारतेस तुम्हाला. नाही नाही सिस्टर ॲम्युडरॉन मी सांगतोय ना. मग काय म्हणशील तू. हां सेकंड शॉक झालाय फक्त. मग काय द्यायला पाहिजे सिस्टर. हां सिस्टर बरोबर आहे, माझं चुकलं. सो व्हॉट शी इज डुईंग इज नो शी इज रेजिंग कंसर्न. देन व्हेन आई एम नॉट लिसनिंग ना, देन शी सेइंग अरे सर थियोरी बताया मैं ऐसा नहीं है, आई एम अनकंफर्टेबल. देन ऐसे कि हाँ मैं ध्यान में आ गया, बराबर है तेरा. सो लेट अस गिव adrenaline. So you need to raise concern correctly, and then of course mutual respect and summarizing and reevaluating. So I have already told you all the points in this lecture. So now we're going to go through quickly through these slides. So closed loop, leader initiates a message, member repeats the message and acknowledges, leader verifies that the message was received. Then after that, you can see this example, rhythm has changed to rapid VF, initiate defibrillation, used 200 joules. Got it, patient has VF, preparing for DC defibrillation of 200 joules. Yes, 200 joules is correct, thank you. And then when the person gives the shock, now he'll say I have given the 200 joule shock. So failure to communicate clearly, not loud enough. सगळे त्यांचे आवाज छोटे आहेत ना, जोरात बोलायचं ना थोडंसं. Not detailed enough from leader. So I said only 1 milligram. I didn't say IV or IM. I didn't say give 10 ml. So it has to be detailed. Avoid pitfalls, member acknowledgement but no repeat back. Failure to communicate clearly, no directed instruction, failure of report back. All these are problems we should avoid. Okay, so here's an example. So team leader is giving a clear instruction. Second shock has been given. Could you give 1 milligram adrenaline followed by 20 ml saline push and elevation of arm? Team member says, got it. You want me to give 1 milligram, 20 ml, elevation of arm. Team leader confirms, yes, that is correct. Team report back, 1 milligram adrenaline, IV, 20 ml saline pushed, arm elevated. Closed loop complete. Clear roles and responsibilities. Sister Jagdale, तुम्ही drugs घ्या. Sister Ashwini, तुम्ही defibrillation घ्या. And what's your name? Madhuri, तू breaths दे. CPR, तू CPR दे. आणि अरे पाचवं पण टीम आहे की तू आहेस की, तुझं नाव काय. सिद्धी, तू बघ सगळं. टाइम ठेव. तो CPRचा फॉर्म आहे आपल्याकडे, आहे का रे फॉर्म. हां CPRच्या फॉर्मवर जसा रिसस्टेशन होतोय ना तसं लिहून घ्यायचं काय काय करायचं आहे. चालेल का. चला सुरू करूया. सो नाव दिस इज गिविंग क्लिअर रोल्स अँड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. सो वेन यू आर गोइंग टू फंक्शन इनसाइड इन दोज स्किल स्टेशन्स, यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ टीम ऑफ 5. One person will be the identified team leader. Usually I get the team leader to start the resuscitation. So I'm checking whether they're doing the first steps correctly. So once you've done the first steps correctly and I say your team has come, then that person does not continue to do compressions. Compressions karta karta you can't give instructions. So he stands back and then he says, ha, tumhi sage asa asa kara. And then that person is thinking how to go down the algorithm. Okay? तर ते फार महत्त्वाचं आहे. And team leader ni काय करायचं आहे, he has to give roles and responsibilities to everybody. Not only that, he has to see that they're doing things properly. He has to keep a sense of time and you have to think of the 5 H's and 5 T's. ठीक है का? So everybody hopefully will get a chance to function as team leader. You may not get everybody, but at least about 50% people will get, I think, in today's class. So know your limitations, share your knowledge, intervene constructively if there are incorrect or inappropriate things, summarize and reevaluate, have mutual respect. So team leader understands this. If there is conflict or disagreement, then you have to use this graded assertiveness. जसं मी चुकलो ना, जसं मला सिस्टर जगदाळीने करेक्ट केलं निर्मलानी. काय केलं, शी सेड सर 300 mg ॲम्युडोरॉन, आर यू शुअर. आय पर्सिस्टेड. दोनशे सेड नाही नाही सर आय एम कन्सर्न. सेकंड शॉक नंतर तर आपण हे देतो ॲड्रेनालिन. तुम्ही म्हटलं हां बरोबर आहे. अँड देन आय चेंज्ड. सो देन इफ इट कंटिन्यूज ना, देन यू कॅन गो, दिस इज अ सेफ्टी इश्यू, प्लीज पे अटेन्शन. हे बघा माझ्याकडे पुस्तक आहे. हां सरांनी दिलेलं पुस्तक आहे, त्याच्यात लिहिलं आहे. हां ओके, तुम्हीच दिलेलं पुस्तक आहे सर. हां हा एचचा अल्गोरिदम आहे असं सांगायला हरकत नसते. हां ओके. सो हिअर्स अन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ एरर. थर्ड शॉक हॅज बीन गिवन. कुड यू गिव्ह 150 milligrams ऑफ ॲम्युडोरॉन IV. आता इथे काय चुकलंय, 300 mg द्यायला पाहिजे. सो टीम मेंबर म्हणतो 150. मग टीम लीडर म्हणतो नाही नाही 150 द्यायचं आहे. मग टीम मेंबर एस्केलेट्स, तो म्हणतो अरे नाही नाही ते खूप कमी आहे सर, तुम्ही तर म्हटलं होतं की 300 mg द्यायला पाहिजे. मग म्हणतो हां चुकलं माझं, 300 mg द्यायला पाहिजे. सो crisis resource management, role of team member, role of team leader. Is that okay? Now we'll practice this. Now I'm not going to repeat this. Okay, can I have the next presentation please?